Well, hello my beautiful people of the internet. So I know I'm a little bit late on this trend, but I wanted to film this video, so I'm going to film this video. So that's just what it is. I'm going to be following along to a KathleenLights video to see if I can do it. Yeah, so I basically, there we go. I'm going to be following her Dramatic Fall Makeup Tutorial Morphe 3502 palette because I just got the Morphe 3502 palette for my birthday. So I really want to play with this. And I was like, what else is better than using this to copy her video? So yeah, we're going to see if I can do that. I know that she puts on her eyebrows before she does her videos, so my eyebrows are on. The only thing that is going to be different is I have foundation and concealer on already because I am testing out a foundation for another video, which will be up soon. So yeah, that's the only thing that's going to be different is I'm not going to be following her foundation part of the video. I'm just going to be following the eye part. So yeah. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get right into this video. I'm going to pull up the video of her on my phone.
Okay, so I've already primed my eyes and now I'm jumping into the Morphe 3502 palette. I'm going to take this shade and
Oh! Okay, so she takes Orb, which is this shade right here. I took the little thingy and I taped it to the top. Because I wanted to know what the colors were. Okay, don't judge me. Okay, so I don't know what brush she's using. What brush is she using? Oh, they're Sigma. I don't have Sigma brushes. I'm going to go in with the Morphe B38 brush, which is this one right here. And I'm going to take that color and just like she did, I'm going to put it in my crease as my transition. She already has like one eye partly done. I don't. So we're going to do both eyes. So yeah. I moved the camera because this I feel like this works a little bit better. If it doesn't, just let me know in the comments and I will try to do something different on the next video.
then I'm going to go back into the palette and I'm going to take this shade right here. It's a really like vibrant terracotta color. And I'm going to start doing kind of like a halo eye. You can see on my other eye.
Okay, so she takes the one that's right below that, which is Heat. So this shade right here. And I'm going to follow what she's doing, which is making a halo eye. Hold on, I have to go let my cat out first because he's crying. Okay, so we're going to go in with that color. I don't know how far. Oh, I'm going to blow this as far as I think I have to blend it. I don't know. This honestly makes you like stop and think about like your own videos. And it's like, damn, are people sitting at home trying to copy my videos? Like, no, go back. What did you do? Or you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. I think that's good enough. Maybe. What does she do next? Okay, so.
But you know, that's just what I'm doing. And I'm taking, okay, so I'm taking this
So she takes this shade right here.
It's just that I did it on the other.
Oh, she said it's pointless, but I'm going to do it anyways because that's what she did. And I'm doing what she did. So we're going to take that color. And put it all over our lid. What Kathleen says we do. So we're doing it.
Eye when I was playing around with this palette and I thought I have to do it again because, you know, I want to do the exact same steps, but that part right there, totally pointless because we will cover that. I'm going to go back into that terracotta shade and
goes back into the shade Heat and blends out the edges. So that's what we're going to do.
I'm going back into that first crease shade we used and just blending some more, you know.
So blending more with the first crease shade, which was Orb. So we're going to go back in with that.
Now I'm going to go in with this deep color. I love it because it kind of has like a purple undertone. And I'm gonna.
So she goes in with Brave, which is this shade right here.
Of my eye as well, and then I'm gonna connect that in the crease.
Okay.
I'm leaving the center.
Outer corners and inner corners, and then connect it in the crease. Let's see if we can do this.
My eye bare, like I'm not adding any of this eyeshadow on it because like I said I will go over it with the orange eyeshadow, but I'm just slowly building this color up. It's better to start off slow because this color is pretty dark. So
I feel like I need more of it because it doesn't look as dark as hers.
And then I'm just going
Hold on, we're gonna add some more of this because I don't feel it looks like as dark as her eye does. Okay, I feel like that looks better. All right, what is she?
Blend in some more. I always go back and
Alright, she goes back into the first shade again and blends out the edges. So, we're gonna do that again.
Okay, so since there's no highlight shade in the palette, I'm gonna take my Catrice Prime and Fine Contour little kit here, and I'm gonna use the highlight shade to highlight my brow bone.
Okay, so I don't have that little Catrice thing that she has. So I'm just going to go in with my Ulta Illuminating Powder in Yellow Diamond. It just looks like this. And I'll highlight my brow bone with that.
Now I'm going to take the orange shade in this palette. It's like a very shimmery, beautiful, fiery orange.
So she uses Sauce.
This directly in the center of the lid, or we didn't.
Which is this shade right here. And she just uses her finger to put it on the center of her lid. So that's what I'm going to do. Oh wow, that color is really pretty.
I didn't realize I wasn't recording in this part, but basically I just used the first crease color we used on the eyes, and I'm just using this to smoke out my lower lash line. Then I'm going to go back into this little reddish.
So she goes in with the first shade that we used, which was Orb, and puts that underneath. So that's what I'm going to do. I just have a little, this is the Eco Tools Eye and Lip Blur Brush. And then she goes back in with Heat.
Brush, I'm going to do the exact same thing, but I'm going to focus this color a little bit closer to my waterline than the other color. Like the other one, I was really blowing it out underneath there. This one, I'm doing it a little bit tighter. Then I'm going to go into the darkest color.
Then she takes Brave, which is that dark, like purpley color, and she says that she puts this on the outer corner and the inner corner, just like on the lid. So that's what I'm going to do.
On the inner corners as well, leaving the center of my lower lash line bare because I'm going to apply this beautiful orange shade to it right now with my pinky. Oh, well, I tried to use it with a brush.
So she goes back in with that orange shade and puts it underneath her eye with her finger. Oh god, can I even do this? Oh yeah, I did it. I'm going to try to use this brush though. Let's see what that does. She said she tried to use a brush and it didn't really work. Yeah, no, it doesn't really work with a brush. We'll use the 2-hour finger.
I used this shade to highlight my inner corners. And then I went in with my...
So we'll just use the Ulta highlighter to highlight the inner corner. Because like I said, I don't have the one that she used.
Anastasia Dark Side eyeliner, and I used this to tightline, and I applied this to my waterline as well to get like a really intense black waterline. And then I went in with...
So I'm going to use the Rimmel Scandalize. I think I have a new one. Hold on. Because that one is like so tiny. Yeah, I do. Use the Rimmel Scandalize to tightline. And And she put it on her waterline too?
Waterline.
Yeah, she did. Okay. Oh, I don't do this. This is gonna look weird for me. So she uses a gel liner to do her eyeliner. I don't have a gel liner, so I'm just going to use the NYX Epic Ink Liner. This is a felt tip liner in black. I'm going to do it off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, eyeliner is all done. Let's see what she was on to next.
Struggled big time doing my wings, so please ignore my wonky wing liner on the other eye. I apologize. But anyway, I went in with some falsies, and then I applied my Kokie Volume and Length mascara, and then boom, the eyes are done.
No falsies. I'm not going to put on falsies because I actually don't have any at the moment. So I'm just going to go, ooh, and I don't have the mascara that she used either, so I'm just going to go in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex on my top lashes and the Maybelline Great Lash. Or actually, no, because she uses the same. So I'll use this on both my bottom and top lashes. Oh my god, this is so hard. Oh, I'm not used to that. The brush that I use on my bottom lashes is normally so much smaller. So I don't have the contour shade that she has, so I'm just going to go in with Hoola by Benefit and contour my face with that. And then she like warms up the face, so to warm up my face I'm going to go in with Wet n Wild's Color Icon in a Bikini Contest, 'cause again I don't have the one that she has, so we'll go in with this. For blush, I don't have a lot of blushes because I don't normally wear blush. Am I even in focus? Yeah, okay. And she uses a Milani Flower. I don't have the Milani Flower blushes, but I do have a Milani Baked blush in Bellamy So Bronze. So I'm going to go ahead and take that. For highlighter, again, don't have the highlighter she has. So I'm going to go in with the Revolution Skin Kiss in Ice Kiss. And I'm going to use this to highlight. I'm going to do what she did. She also brought it down her nose. Then again, don't have the lip products that she has, but I'm assuming that these are going to be close, like similar in shade. So this is the NYX lip liner in the shade Natural. Okay, and then she uses a Kylie color, but I don't have, the only Kylie color I have is 22, so I don't have the shade that she uses, so I'm going to go in with the NYX Lingerie in Bedtime Flirt. Because I think, yeah, this looks pretty similar to the one that she has. So yeah, that is everything. I think it came out pretty decently. I'll put up a little side, like, what hers looked like, and I mean, I think it looks pretty decent. So yeah, that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and that you guys hit the little notification bell down below so that you guys can be notified for when I post new videos. I believe that's everything. Make sure you guys follow my social media, which will be listed in the down bar below, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.
It's bye.